and all time.
Good day, America, live from Sun and Fun, Northern New England, coastal Southern Maine. This is Frank Margell on this Monday, October 30th, 2017. And what an amazing day to get out and about today on this Monday. It's about 12:30, nearing 1 p.m. in the afternoon at Maine's coastal tropical getaway. But not today. This is also a freelance video, and you will find it at Frank Margell at youtube.com. Thank you for all the upbeat comments and shares, and I do reply to your comments and shares from time to time. Thank you very much. It's so nice to get out and about with you, and I haven't been down to Old Orchard Beach in a while, so I also want to remind you that this is a WYSIWYG, and that is what you see is what you get, and I'm not affiliated with any business or enterprise that you may see in the video today. I'm out here in the public domain sharing my comments and views with you, and I figured today would be a really good day to get down to the beach and check out these monster waves and do a little Old Orchard Beach Halloween time video session with you. In Portland, they canceled schools because we received an enormous amount of wind. It was incredibly stormy last night. Trees in the coastal Maine area were blown over. The schools were canceled. And sometimes the gusts would be 50 to 60 miles per hour. Imagine that. And on this October 30th, it's starting to ease up, but we're getting an incredible offshore breeze here. And look at these waves at Old Orchard Beach breaking out there. Some of them are breaking out nearly a quarter of a mile from the beach. And it's really choppy surf. There have been some estimates that the waves could crest at 9 to 16 feet, but right now we're looking at about 8 to 10 footers there and about. Of course, the way the beach is designed and the way the waves break, they're not very big, but it's really terrible surf today, if you can imagine. So nobody's out here surfing on the beach today. The beach is almost completely abandoned. There are a few folks taking in this historic site. That's right, the day before Halloween, massive windstorm, incredible waves, fun and sun in northern New England, coastal southern Maine. Just no surf today worth trying to even get into. And the water, I'm sure, is cold. What do you think? Go ahead and send me a comment at Frank Margell at youtube.com. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great Maine day. I want to thank all those that serve northern New England, coastal southern Maine, all you Mainers, all you folks that subscribe to my YouTube channel and send me comments. Thank you very much. It's Frank Margell, northern New England, coastal southern Maine at Old Orchard Beach, where it's really windy and stormy. Now tomorrow, Halloween, we're looking at sunny skies, temperatures in the 50s and 60s, but go ahead and check your facts. And once again, if you have a comment or a view and you'd like to send it to me, go right ahead. I'd love to hear from you. Once again, this is Frank Margell from Sun and Fun, northern New England, coastal southern Maine, Old Orchard Beach, USA. You have a great Halloween, and no matter where you are in the free world, I'll keep you posted. You take care. This is Frank. Yeah, we're going to show you some parkour flips here at the beach today. And stick around, check out some of these clips right here at Old Orchard Beach. Sun and Fun, northern New England, coastal southern Maine, with my associate, Trey Margell, a parkour superstar right here in northern New England, coastal southern Maine. Stay tuned and check out some of the flipping action. And once again, you take care. This is Frank. stoked.
I'm all tired.